All right, guys, welcome to Flippo's Garage. I'm not gonna bore y'all with a long introduction today. We're just gonna get right into it. Y'all know what y'all clicked on. We're doing fuel injectors, oil pressure sending unit. This is some of the tools you're gonna need. 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 12 extensions, ratchets, you know, some flatheads and pry bars and whatnot. First thing you want to do is disconnect your negative lead on the battery. I removed the intake. We got that all set to the side along with the plastics, and now we're going to start breaking this manifold down so we can have easier access to the oil pressure sending unit in the back. If you're just doing injectors, you don't have to take the manifold out. Just do the injectors. Let's go.
我的偏爱对那些必杀技，从土巴一路到意大利，马普拉的拉法米利亚，我们从地上日到地下，拿什么跟我们屁话？打你的幻想，放你的黑暗里。Sir High Boy， I be like Pablo， 你的 type shit， 在我看来都差不多。我的就是我的，你永远拿不走。金棒子老弟可装成了花骨朵，麦克风在手里永远都唱不够。你看不你放一直打不动，我的水平你永远都达不到。谁平常奥斯的瓦还是打不了？他但这些没有用的，阿比来跟我走 ，Let's go。这条路真的没尽头，这次放弃他们没理由。
Take those off. Oh. Hell yeah. Fucking gas everywhere. Next time, bleed it off. Fuck. I thought it all came out over there. So my camera died. All I did was lift the intake up and out, and I pulled this hose off right here, off the back, and I cleaned all the dirt that I could off the surfaces, and I cleaned the surfaces real good where the new gasket's gonna sit. And would you look at that? Isn't that beautiful? It was leaking, so they just taped it. No wonder my oil pressure gauge isn't working. I'm kind of scared to see what I'm gonna find under that tape, but anyway, it's dark now, so I got shit to do tomorrow. So here we go, we gotta keep rolling. Alright, so this is a oil pressure sensor socket. So you can actually take that off without taking the manifold off. And they make a deep and a shallow. For these trucks and SUVs of this year, you always want the deep. I've never worked on one that takes the shallow. I'm not sure why they make it. I'm sure there's a GM out there somewhere that takes it, but I haven't seen it yet, so. So my truck didn't have this filter. I read a lot of guys online said they usually throw them away. Since mine didn't have it, I'm not going to use it. all I did there was, you saw me put this in, the intake manifold in. All I did off camera was tighten down my bolts. Start in the middle and work yourself in a crisscross pattern. All right, now it's just reverse of everything we just took apart. Just put it back the same way you took it apart. We're gonna hook up the fuel line. Don't forget your lock. Push that fuel line on until it clicks, and then put your lock on. Go ahead and reconnect all your fuel injector connectors, and then just start hooking everything else back up. Set your EVAP canister right here. Anyway, let's get it. All right, guys, didn't want to bore y'all with the last few minutes of that video. It's just your last few connections, and if you're watching this video, then you probably know how you took it apart. You're probably skilled enough to, you know, finish those last few connections. Anyway, if you want to support the channel, please hit that like, subscribe button, do all the things. And yeah, check this thing out. It's a little girl's motorcycle. My daughter watches me ride mine all the time, so she loves it. Absolutely loves it, man. It's only like $100, so definitely suggest one of these. They're pretty cool. Anyway, so I got a new camera, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I got a lot of videos coming out, so keep your eye out. And yeah, see y'all later. Peace.